Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kevin and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be trying out a very new product. We should get some like backlighting back here. I don't think that did much. Alright, so I have my box here and the product that we're going to be trying out today is by Overtone, and it is something that they just released, the purple for brown hair deep... Ow! Alright, so the product that we're going to be trying out today, I'm going to be doing a review and first impressions of, is the Overtone Purple for Brown Hair Deep Treatment. Apparently, this is supposed to work on dark brunette hair. I actually pre-lighten my hair a little bit, even though it says you don't like have to. But here's what the fact sheet says. Specifically formulated to work on darker strands without bleach or pre-lightening. It's double the pigment, extreme purple, and has warm tones to show up on darker strands. Light to medium brown shades will see the most accurate purple results, so that's why I lighten my hair. I wanted my hair to be a little bit more of a pigmented bright purple. And then the dark brown shades will achieve a dark purple tint. So I have two products here. One is the deep treatment for the initial color application, and then one is the daily conditioner for color maintenance, or if you have like any fading going on, then you just use this in the shower daily and it'll keep up with the color. And they also sent some gloves as well, which I don't know if I'm going to use the gloves. Brad Mondo is quaking right now. Alright, so this is the current state of my hair. I'm going to take my hat off, so don't scream. And I just woke up, so like leave me alone. I actually went through quite a process to get this hair color. I bleached my hair too much, and so I tried to apply like a light brown hair color on top of it. We ended up with like a dark orange, which I really hate. We're gonna be dyeing her anyways, so it's okay. It's okay. She's gonna be gone. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. Oh my god, that's dark. I want stains. So I guess just like... And so basically I'm just gonna apply it like I would a deep conditioner, and what I mean by that is... Oh well, the damage is already done. So I'm just gonna take a blob and then rub it in and make sure that everything is fully coated. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply this throughout the rest of my hair, the same method I'm doing right now, which is like a terrible method. I would not recommend this. Bye. I am back, and I actually just applied it all throughout my hair. I had to go in the bathroom to do it because I needed like that little mirror thing to see the back of my head. And then once I applied it all throughout my hair, I just kind of like sectioned it and made sure that I got it all covered. Ooh, also this smells so good. This stuff smells like spearmint gum. Alright, so the next step is it says to leave this in for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse clean. So I don't believe that you need to use shampoo with this. I'm not going to use shampoo. We're going to see what happens, see if it gets on my towel or if it stains anything. I'm going to leave this in for about 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and then I'll be back. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so I'm back. I actually just got out of the shower and I rinsed out my hair. I didn't use a shampoo or conditioner. I just followed the directions. All it said to do was rinse out your hair. And I styled it, so now we're going to do the reveal. Are you guys ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy with the color it came out because I had a little bit of orange tones in my hair before I applied the product. The purple and the orange kind of mixed together to do like a burgundy-ish color. It's a little bit more purple than burgundy, but it does still have like a little bit of those orange-red undertones. If you didn't have orange tones in your hair before you apply the product, then you probably won't get this color. If you just have like normal natural brunette hair like this right here, your hair will come out this color. Comment down below what you guys think of this color. I think I'm going to leave this for a while and actually keep using this product. Alright, so my final thought on this product is I really love it. I really love the color that my hair came out, And I really love that the way my hair feels as well. It doesn't feel damaged at all. It actually feels a lot better than before I applied the product. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this hair color. Do you guys like this hair color? Would you wear it? And are you planning on purchasing this product when it comes out? Alright you guys, so that's it for this review and first impressions of the Overtone Purple for Brown Hair Deep Treatment. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!